because of reading the propaganda and the barrage of, unfortunately, the media, which gives such a one-sided story. One-sided story.
We turn now to a question being asked by American authorities after so many videos and images of ISIS. ISIS fighters riding in Toyota pickups and Toyota Land Cruisers. Authorities now asking the automaker, can they help officials figure out why ISIS has so many Toyotas?
The Toyota Hilux pickup is one tough truck, which has made the Toyota Hilux a truck of choice in war zones around the world.
I wonder where they're made.
By ISIS.
I wonder how they got them.
Videos show convoys made up mostly of Toyota Hilux pickups and Land Cruisers. Both newer and older models have ended up in the hands of ISIS.
There are too many that can be just stolen.
As I've repeatedly said, it does take both words and actions to produce results. We have imposed strong financial sanctions on Assad and dozens of his cronies. We have sanctioned the Commercial Bank of Syria for supporting the regime's illicit nuclear proliferation activities.
The Iraqi ambassador to the United States says ISIS has hundreds of brand new Toyotas in its fleet.
These four-wheel drives, hundreds of them. Where are they coming from?
Toyota says
I know
it
how to
does
find
not know
out.
how ISIS is getting its vehicles.
We just want to make this clear. Toyota says it doesn't know how ISIS is getting its hands on these trucks.
All right, we'll find numbers on one of the thousands of parts on each one of them and find out where the fuck they were made.
And resupply its terrorist army.
We are fighting a mass of propaganda.
The time has come for the international community to unite around a plan for post-Assad Syria.
That has demonized the Syrian government, demonized its leaders.
Assad must transfer power and depart Syria.
In order to convince people that it's okay for quote-unquote humanitarian reasons to overthrow a government and to replace it with whatever.
Based on definitions of war criminal and crimes against humanity, there would be an argument to be made that he would fit into that category.
Yeah.
The United States prefers a government that is not independent, that is a willing participant in whatever U.S. policy is.
Where do these trucks come from? Every pickup truck, everything has a number on it. There's like 100 different traceable parts to each of these trucks. All they got to do is get hold of one of them, and you'll find out what country they were made in. I have a
strong financial
strong idea of where they might be coming
dozens
from.
Of his cronies. We have sanctioned the Commercial Bank of Syria for supporting the regime's illicit nuclear.
I think it's really sloppy that they did that. Knowing where these fuckers come from, it's hilarious.
Says ISIS has hundreds of brand new Toyotas in its fleet.
Check this out.
Drives, hundreds of them. Where are they coming from?
This is...
Toyota says it does not know how ISIS is getting its vehicles.
Holy shit.
To make this clear, Toyota says it doesn't know how ISIS is getting its hands on these
We have no idea how they're getting these Israeli-made pickups. I didn't say that.
To keep ISIS from using its huge supply of cash, and
ISIS never attacks
We are fighting a mass
the people that make these. That's a lot of them. All retrofitted real nice. And now watch the helicopter. If that's the real audio, it certainly sounds like
the lies, the propaganda that has overwhelmed us. It's hard. It's hard for even those of us who have been in the peace movement for a long time. It's hard for us to ignore this propaganda. It is so well orchestrated.
Watch the Paulstal Service, the best videos out there.